Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will show you how to request a return or refund for your orders. As we have learned from a previous video, on the purchase orders page, if your order's status is pending, unshipped, in transit, or completed, you may see the request refund or the request return link. Today, we'll tell you how to proceed if you do want to request a return or refund. Before we start, we'd like to recommend you to contact the seller to discuss the matter first, to see if you can agree on a solution other than a return or refund. Anyway, find the order you want to request a return or refund. And let's see how to request a refund first. If your order status is pending or unshipped, click Request Refund. You will enter the refund order page. Here you will find the refund type is designated as refund without return, because your order hasn't been shipped out yet. Here please choose one of the 6 refund reasons: fail to deliver on time, order not received, not as described, defective goods, fake goods, or others. We will explain these in detail later. For remark, please elaborate on this refund request. Tell the seller the details to help the seller understand the situation. And you may click here to attach a picture if necessary. Again, let's talk about the attachment later. Finally, please click Submit to finish. Then, let's see how to request a return. If your order status is in transit or completed, click Request Return. You will also enter the refund order page. If you ordered more than one piece for a single product, please enter your refund quantity here. If you just ordered one piece, then skip this step. Check your refund amount. The amount will change automatically if you change the refund quantity. And please choose your refund type: refund after return, or refund without return, according to the agreement you reached with the seller. Here please choose one from the 6 refund reasons, the same as we just mentioned. And for a remark and attachment, also the same. Finally, please click Submit to finish. Now, let's talk about the 6 refund reasons. Fail to deliver on time. If your order wasn't shipped long after the seller's processing time, you may choose this reason. Order not received. If you didn't receive the order long after the estimated time of delivery, or if you found the latest tracking info is not delivered, you may choose this reason. Not as described. If you find the product you received is different from its description page, you may choose this reason. Defective goods. If you find the product you received is damaged, isn't functioning properly, or doesn't work at all, you may choose this reason. Fake goods. The name of the reason tell it all. Others. Any reason other than the 5 we just mentioned. Finally, let's talk about what you should upload as the attachment. If you haven't received your order, you need to upload the not delivered screenshot of the latest tracking info. If you find the product you received not as described, please take a picture of the product to show the difference clearly, and upload the picture. If you find the product you received is damaged, please also take a picture to show the damage clearly. Besides pictures, you may upload videos to show your issues more clearly. If you have any questions or need help during your return or refund process, you may contact Doba at any time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll tell you how to check the return or refund progress, and more. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.